Just outside of Saucasee, heading towards the Market Common. Right now, you should be in your safe place if you are in the Market Common. This is where we could see a possible tornado working through the area. Still do have a level 4 risk across the Grand Strand and the PD today. A number of factors are going to be coming into play, and one of those key factors being just how much sunshine we can get today. But are reporting a couple of delays, especially across a very popular thoroughfare traveling from Conway to downtown Myrtle Beach. You're looking at about a 15-minute delay, especially near places like Carolina Forest. So are the Pelicans going to win? Yes, that's a good, okay, that's a go. The weather is perfect for tonight. We do have that 80% chance of development over the next 2 days, 90% chance of development over the next 5 days. The good news is the timing of this is going to help us in terms of the fuel a lot of these storms need. As we head towards about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, that's when the South Strand and into Williamsburg County will start to feel the impacts from Elsa's outer bands. We are now into the Greek alphabet, believe it or not. It's only happened one other time in history. Well, check it out. What a beautiful day we have seen so far across the beaches, and we're still seeing it unfold at this hour. Right here in for an even colder night compared to the temperatures we've seen so far today. We only made it into the upper 40s, and now as we head towards tonight, we're talking about temperatures nearing freezing, the potential of patchy frost. Tropical storm conditions are looking likely Monday night and into early Tuesday morning. Here is the very latest on Tropical Storm Ada. It strengthened into a tropical storm last night, tying the record with the 2005 record of most named storms in a single hurricane season. Talking about the potential for tornadoes and also the potential for some powerful wind gusts as we take you into this afternoon.
Now, the certified most accurate forecast from First Alert meteorologist Jessica Dobson.
Well, we have had quite the soggy start to the weekend so far for your Saturday, and we're still seeing a couple of these isolated downpours currently working across the Grand Strand and the PD. We're starting to see one more from the Midlands working to parts of Darlington County, also riding right along Interstate 95. As far as the Grand Strand goes, we're just dealing with some light to moderate downpours there, just some steady rain for the most part. And as we take you throughout the rest of tonight, we'll start to see a lot of these come to an end, maybe just a couple of lingering stray sprinkles as we take you throughout the overnight hours, but not looking at any sort of substantial rainfall as we take you throughout the rest of tonight. And even for tomorrow morning, maybe a few lingering showers for the pre-dawn hours, but overall looking like a much better forecast as we take you into your Sunday. So through about 4 o'clock, the peak heating of the day, we can expect to see a couple of these isolated downpours, but we're only looking at about a 20% chance of rain for tomorrow. So we'll see a couple of these downpours throughout tomorrow afternoon, and then throughout tomorrow evening, we'll continue to see clearing skies, much drier conditions continue to settle in as we take you through the second half of the weekend and also into your Monday. So you'll notice that moisture meter, it's going to be a lot lower as we head towards Sunday and into Monday. A lot of that very high moisture will continue to work offshore as we see drier air from winds out of the north and west begin to work into our area. That's going to set us up to see clearing skies for tomorrow. Just about a 20% chance of rain through midday and into the afternoon hours. We're looking at a couple of those pop-up storms, and that's really going to be the case through most of this week. We're looking at about a 20% chance of rain through tomorrow, mostly dry into our Monday, then a 20% chance of rain returns as we take you towards the end of the week. Even for Thursday, only looking at about a 30% chance of rain. But the big story for next week, especially the end of next week, it's going to be this increasing heat and humidity. We're talking about winds returning from out of the south and west. That's going to help to crank up that humidity and those temperatures as we head throughout the end of next week. Very typical summer-like pattern is going to return to the area. We're talking about a heat index right around 100 degrees as we head towards the end of this next coming week. So the cooler days of the week will be taking place for Tuesday and into Wednesday before we really start to heat things back up. And also what's heating up are the tropics. I'll give you a quick check of those because we have multiple areas, multiple waves of potential tropical development that are rolling off the western coast of Africa. So far, the best chances of potential tropical development are going to be for this area of low pressure. It's very small and very well defined, so we could see a tropical depression form as we take you into Monday or maybe middle parts of next week. But so far, these other waves have a very low chance of a possible tropical development as we head towards the next week or so. But we will, of course, keep a close eye on these as we head towards next week. Be sure to download that First Alert weather app for the latest updates, and we'll keep a close eye on these as we take you throughout the next month or so.